Meaning of exclaim.
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 Exclaim. To exclaim means to cry out loudly and suddenly, often in surprise, anger, or excitement. It is an expression of strong emotion that is typically uttered without much forethought. When someone exclaims, they are often trying to draw attention to something that has caught their attention or to express their strong feelings about a topic. Exclamations can be verbal or written and can take the form of interjections or exclamatory sentences. They are a common element of many forms of communication, including literature, film, and everyday conversation.